tuning that. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. All right, so this is a 1976 Toyota Celica. It's a GT coupe, which most people like the liftbacks. I personally like the coupes, but this customer wanted their high school car back, and I told them, hey, those old Celicas, they have tractor engines in them. And I mean, quite literally, they have engines that came out of Toyota tractors in Japan. So we did something a little different. As far as I know, this is number 7 in the world. The hood is a little stuck.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood. 2JZ engine, no
But we did a Toyota 2JZ GE out of a 2001 Lexus GS300.
This will decimate all after you put about 15 grand in it or more.
Went through, did bigger injectors, completely rebuilt the engine. We've got some equal length tubular headers on it. It's got a cross member and power steering out of an 86 Toyota Corolla. It's got a W58 transmission out of a MK3 Supra, I believe. Shortened the drive shaft, 2.5 inches, factory rear end. Been doing the upholstery on it, but I mean, this thing has been almost 3 years in the making. It has been incredibly hard to get parts for it. But I think we're getting pretty close to having it done.
Did you have to do anything to the engine bay to make this thing fit?
No, we did as little cutting as possible.
I mean, it's tight.
It is very, very, very tight. So even the radiator is out of a 74 Corolla ST liftback. Which you'd think, oh, the liftbacks and the coupes don't make a difference. Apparently they do. I found that out the hard way. It's a lot smaller than the original one would be, but the original one would sit right about here. We don't have that room, so we got a custom-built 5-core radiator. So even though it looks small, it's got plenty of room, plenty of fluid flowing through it. We've been getting it up to temp. Everything seems to be staying cool. We'll do more testing on it if we have to go with the bigger radiator. You know, we'll figure that out. We'll get there when we get there. We've been doing the air conditioning from Old Air Products out in Fort Worth. You can kind of see, this is all a mess, but we're retrofitting the AC from Old Air. We've got Speedhut gauges. Nothing's put together in here, but when you turn them on, they sweep, they look great. Kind of went with a Nissan Datsun, or like a Datsun 240Z style gauge. Our upholstery guy just did an amazing job on the interior. It's coming along, but
that's awesome.
That's about it. The color of the car, it's an original color. It's been just added more flake to it, like more metallic, but it is an original Toyota color for this car. But that is another story for another time.
Yeah. About that. Like, how are you running this engine in this car?
Forgot about that. Because I just despise this company. Not going to say what company, but we have a wiring harness from a well-known manufacturer out there for 2Js, RBs. All the drift guys use them.
Who are you?
Not going to get into that because I'm not going to get sued. But we are running a EMU Black from ECU Masters. They are a local company. I surprisingly love this ECU, and a lot of people like tuning them. So we went with them just because they're local. If I have any issues, I can go directly to their office, and I'm not having to sit on the phone all the time. We've got a cube shifter in it. That thing feels great. It's just nice and tight. It's not like most short throw shifters where it's short going forward to back, but still the same throw going side to side. This thing is tight the whole way around, all through 5 gears.
What's next on the to-do list?
Got to pull the windshield back out. We're going to do the dash pad, start finishing up the dash. Got to tidy up all the wiring, finish up the air conditioning, wiring up the air conditioning, 3D printing adapters for the AC vents so we can run ducting. We have to either figure out how to put Apple CarPlay in here, or if we're going to use like one of our Bluetooth modules from DS18 and hide it either under the seat, behind the glove box, or wherever, and you just use the radio through your phone. And then, yeah, sound system. We got to somehow fit a 10-inch sub in here, 6x9s, 6-inch speakers, and tweeters.
Speakers going in the back here?
Yeah, we got 6x9s going back here. Somehow got to fit 6-inch rounds up front and tweeters. Don't know how we're going to do that yet. And the sub, have no clue where that's going to go, but we'll figure that out.
The trunk?
There's not much room back there.
Did you talk about the wheel and tire setup already?
I have no idea what it is. It came with the car.
Oh, cool. Okay. Well, if you want to know, take a screenshot.
Yeah.
Can we get a quick start? Can you start it up real quick?
Yeah, I can start up.
That was awesome.
What's the retail on one of those?
That's crazy. So how much horsepower should we potentially be seeing out of this?
Barely over stock. I mean, it's what this car has going for is the weight. That's it. So not too much done to the engine except for injectors. So,
But stock being better than a tractor motor, right?
yeah, I think I don't know off the top of my head what horsepower numbers are. We'll see. It'll be on a dyno, so we'll have actual numbers soon.
Cool.
So, yep, that's it.
Sign us out.
Bye.